The preview functionality in XtraGrid shows some information about a record in a visually different format. By default, the grid can be configured to read the text for the preview from one of the fields in the record. With the help of an event handler, it is possible to show arbitrary data generated at runtime. Starting from a new WinForms application, I drop an XtraGrid control on the form and dock it to its parent. On the grid view, I set the property OptionsView.showPreview to true. Note that I'm not setting the property preview field name on the grid view. This would be used if the text could be retrieved from a record field, but in this sample, I want to create the text dynamically. I need to set up some test data in a simple list for the purpose of this example. I start by creating the following two classes in the file form1.cs. In the class form1, I add some lines of code to my constructor to initialize the test data and bind it to the grid. I run the application and I see the data as well as an empty preview row. I create an event handler for the event calc preview text on the grid view. I need to set the property preview text on the event args to the text I want to use. If any preview text had been extracted from a record field automatically, I could also read this from the preview text property before modifying it. The property row handle in the event args allows me to retrieve the order object in the current row from the view. I need to add a using statement for the namespace devexpress.xtragrid.views.base to resolve the type column view. The method getPreviewText renders a string that summarizes the current order. In this implementation, I just create a dynamic string stating the number of order lines in the order and the total value of the order, calculated from the price and count information in the order lines. That's all. I run the application again, and now the preview lines show the dynamic string for each of the orders. Thanks for watching, and of course, thank you for choosing DevExpress.